Hello travellers, so today I thought I'd do a quick update for January 2021. So first of all, Happy New Year, let's hope it's a better one. I do have a lot of products reviews coming up. So this is a Usbc rechargeable pocket flashlight. It has 1200 lumens of brightness and it can shine all the way up into the jungle there. It really is very bright and it's also waterproof. So I'm looking forward to show that one to you. It has a lot of different brightness settings as well. So I do have a couple of reviews of a few different backpacks as well. So as I was saying, I do have a lot more reviews coming up. So in the past couple of weeks I have been focusing quite a bit on my music channel, as you can see there. I'll put a link in the corner as well. I've been doing quite a few videos there. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers on that channel at least. That's my goal for this year. I also want to get to 10,000 subscribers on this channel, but I think that's probably going to be hopefully by the end of this year, but maybe next year. It depends how things go. Of course, I do still intend to do a full review of the Manal Daily 3.0 and also a comparison of low pro gear up creator boxes. I have the two sizes there. And I also plan to do like a microphone test of the different microphones for the Sony A7C, which I'm using now. I have a couple more camera videos that will focus on like a lightweight camera kit that you can take while traveling. Because as I mentioned in the previous update video, I will be doing a hands-on with the bottle shower. I'll also be doing like a 20-litre carry-on packing list and comparing a couple of different 20-litre backpacks, because there's a lot of different size variation between what certain companies call 20 litres. One could be quite large and one could be quite small, and they're both called 20 litres. So the capacity that's listed on a backpack often isn't really a very good indication of how much you can actually carry in them. Oh, and of course I'll be doing the review of the Linen Fiesta Etsy linen travel towel. I'll show you a few clips here. So one of my current most popular videos, and I think it's because of the lockdown and everybody working from home, but it's my comparison of the travel like portable keyboards, Bluetooth keyboards. That's still one of my top viewed videos on my channel here at the moment. So I thought I might do one with Bluetooth mice. So I've been using this here, which is the Bitra, and it is a trackball mouse, but it's Bluetooth and it's mini and it's like for traveling. So if you are interested in seeing like a comparison of a couple of different Bluetooth mice or small mice for traveling, do let me know in the comments. So that's pretty much it, just a quick update for January. I hope you had a great new year and great holidays, and I look forward to sharing the upcoming reviews with you very shortly.